40,000 उठ गया यार. Today AWS just rejected our F2 instance quota allocation, and they allocated me 8, but we need 24 to access the FPGAs which we need for running this project. And I was just completely lost. Like, what can I do now? I cannot complete this challenge with 8 vCPUs. I need 24. We could probably chase AWS and try to get the allocation, but I don't want to fight a corporation at this point. So this is what I did instead.
Let's go.